After wearing protective styles for a while, my natural hair has really grown, hasn't it? Everyone's been telling me how thick and luscious and beautiful my natural hair is. Ha! It's a wig. It's a wig, y'all. It's an amazing wig. Wait till I show you. This video is done in collaboration with HerGivenHair. So my package was delivered literally within days. I got this super quick. I always love unboxing hair from HerGivenHair. They really do a great job. As you know, I have worked with them in the past or collaborated with them in the past, and so I can't wait to see what this new wig looks like. By the way, here's my natural hair versus a wig from HerGivenHair, which I absolutely love. I had it in flexi rods. Look at the result. What a difference makeup and hair can just make. And I didn't have to color my hair. This is a full wig. It looks so natural, doesn't it? HerGivenHair has so many different textures when it comes to wigs or extensions. They have half wigs, kinky edges wigs, pre-styled wigs, hair extensions, lace wigs, ponytails, whatever you want. They probably have it and it will look super natural. Most of you know Amara, right? The famous Afro-Latina actress, singer, big hair, big personality. Well, she is the brand ambassador since 2019. Okay, I'm excited to finally open the box. Let's see what's inside. I'm excited. Like I said, one thing about HerGivenHair, their packaging is immaculate. Look at the black ribbon with the logo. Look at the gold lettering on the box. Really nice. This is a great gift for me, a great gift for you, a great gift for anyone you really care about. Okay, let's take off the paper sticker and the tissue, and it reveals the bag with the wig. Okay, so just pulling out the wig, and this honestly is my first time seeing it. This is the Bye Leave Out Thin Part Wig. Okay, it comes with some combs if you want to add additional combs. Okay, that's up to you. I never need them. Also included is an adjustable wig band, and you can see it has this like rubber on it that prevents it from slipping, so extra security. And again, this is optional. You really don't have to use this if you don't need to, but it's nice to have. The wig comes with a protective netting, which I am simply removing. I flip the wig inside out so I can get a closer look. The first thing you notice are 5 clips which are placed along the opening. So that opening that you see in the wig corresponds to where your parting will be. So whether you decide to have a center part or a middle part. And then there are combs on either side of the wig. So 2 combs on either side. And also there are combs on the back, or there is at least a comb in the back, and adjustable straps. So basically lots of security or ways to anchor the wig to your head. So apparently this opening in the front of the wig allows you to have no leave out, so you don't have to have any of your hair out, and you don't have to use the crochet method to secure the wig or to make it look natural. Even though my hair is more of a 4B, this Coily 3C 4A texture I think is going to look nice. So I'm just snipping off the little piece of string that was holding the 2 pieces or 2 halves of the wig together. Next, I'm going to trim off a little bit of the lace that's along where your parting is supposed to sit. So again, the whole objective is for your natural parting or scalp to show. So you see I'm just trimming it barely, very little. Then I wash the hair using shampoo and conditioner I would normally use on my own hair, making sure to, move my hands in a downward motion along the strands of the hair because I don't want to tangle the hair. Even though honestly this hair is really soft and very manageable to work with. While washing or combing through, you might notice a little bit of shedding, and that's expected. This is a lot of hair, right? But anyway, I'm using a denim brush. Honestly, you could just use your fingers or you could use a wide tooth comb to get through because this hair is super soft and again, very easy to manage. After washing and conditioning, I let the wig air dry for about an hour. So I think we're ready. And this is supposed to be beginner friendly. So I'm super excited to see how this works out. All right, but first, what's under the scarf? Don't judge me. I just took out my braids. My hair is dirty and crusty, which is why this wig is perfect for someone who's in between styles or whose hair is super short or you just don't want to be bothered, okay? This wig is for you because we're going to make it work. I'm trying to decide whether I want a side part or a middle part. All right, we're going to go with a middle part, but this has to be quick and easy, okay? I'm not even going to braid my hair. No braiding, just parting it and then pulling it to the back, okay? You see that, right? There's no magic. Just pulling it to the back neatly. If you want to braid it, certainly braid it. Then that would help compress the hair even better. But as long as the top is nice and flat, okay? So make sure the top is nice and flat so it doesn't look wiggy. So I think I've brushed it sufficiently. I feel like the top is nice and flat. Now I'm going to put on a wig stocking. So just a simple, stocking cap and pushing my hair to the back. I just want to make sure, my plentiful hair is compressed. And you can see the back wasn't perfect. So let's try on this wig, okay? I just want you to look at this texture though. This texture is so beautiful. It's definitely looser than my natural hair, but it still looks like hair that could have grown out of my scalp. All right, so a closer look again at the clips in the front where the parting is supposed to be and where the combs are. And also the comb in the back and the adjustable straps. So I flip the wig and I usually start with putting it on from the back. So tucking in the comb in the back. Okay, you see that, right? I just tuck it in under the stocking cap. And you don't even have to use a stocking cap if your hair is braided, right? So if your hair were braided, you don't need the stocking cap. I was just doing that because my hair is loose. Next, I snap open the clip and then snap it closed once it's tucked into the hair. So you just press down and it snaps it closed and secure. I then try to line up the edges of the wig as close as possible to my parting and snap close the clips. So it takes a little bit of practice at first, and also be careful not to pull too tight. So as you can see at first, the space between the parting and the wig is a little bit too wide, and also a lot of my grays are showing, which makes it easy to detect. So I just had to readjust the wig and bring the sides closer to my parting. So after the wig is placed, you just have to back comb the edges of the wig, kind of mix it in with your hair, and it's amazing as you do that, it just starts to blend. I didn't even do my edges. I didn't do anything to my edges. There's no product on my hair. I didn't put anything on it, and you see. Oh my God. What is this magic? Hair behind my ear. Walk out the door. In case you're curious, the exact wig I'm wearing is the Kinky Bye Bye Leave Out Thin Part wig to the left. And as you can see, it is not cheap, but you have to think of this as an investment. This is the type of wig that will last you many years. I have some of their other wigs that have lasted me years. If applied correctly, this wig can look super natural, but if you want to really kick it up a notch, go ahead and pull out your crochet, okay? So all I do is tuck some of the hair from the wig underneath my own hair and pull it through. You see that? So I wrap the hair from the wig around the crochet, pull it through, and honestly, when I'm done, it's gonna look like this thing is really, really unclockable. Unclockable. Look at this. Look at the side that I use the crochet. Tell me that doesn't look like it's literally growing out of my scalp. If I'm being completely honest, if I stepped out right now and you saw me, you would believe this is my hair, especially the side that I use the crochet method to. You see that, right? I've frozen it. It looks like it's growing out of my scalp. At this point, this is my hair. It's growing out of my scalp, and you cannot tell me otherwise. Well, until I lift it up. You see that, right? You see how easily it unclips. So just a reminder that it's not exactly my hair. But honestly, this is amazing. Also, I love the shape of it. You know, I didn't have to trim it, but you can certainly trim it to the shape you like. You can also color it. You can do a twist out. You can do a braid out. You can heat style it. I mean, this is your hair. Okay, let's style it differently. You can add a headband to it and turn it into a headband wig. You can wear the headband directly on your forehead, or like I prefer, I like to pull it back a little bit because I don't have much forehead, right? So to me, it looks more natural when I'm showing a little bit of my hairline. So that's cute, right? I mean, I could really go out to the supermarket right now, or to a restaurant, or to see my friend. I don't know. All right, let's do something else. So here I'm doing a side part, and then I'm adding some Shine and Jam because this will give me a little bit more sleekness. And again, I literally just took out my braid, so I need to wash my hair and I need to do something with it. But in the meantime, this wig comes in perfectly on time. Okay? So now just brushing my hair, again, trying to make it super neat and sleek. It's a workout trying to get this much hair into one simple bun. So that's what I'm trying to do. Just put it into a neat bun, you know, not perfect. And then I'm just tying it so that it, you know, can set a little bit. I literally just tie it for like 5 minutes. Now I'm taking it off. And then we're going to add the wig. Okay, so very simple. I'm literally showing you styles you can do with this wig that are very quick and simple. Quick and easy. Okay, I'm adding a little bit of a bobby pin just to the back because keep in mind the wig is literally halfway on my head. But it looks natural, right? It looks like I have like, you know, one of these big fluffy ponytails, or when you tie your hair to the back, and it just looks super natural. All right, let's try something else. This is more of an intermediate style. All the others were like super easy. This one requires just a little bit more effort, but it's still really easy. So I am sectioning off about 1/3 of my hair. So less than half. You know what you call half up, half down, but really the front is less than half. Okay, so I'm putting the front portion into a nice little bun, just like I did with the back. And then I'm using an ouchless band or rubber band or whatever head tie you have, and then just twisting it. Okay, so make sure it's nice and neat. And then I'm adding the wig to the back. Basically, make sure you secure all of the clips and all of the combs just right behind the bun. See, right behind the bun. Now, I want this to all, you know, blend in really well. So I grab some of the hair from the wig, and then I cover my natural hair, and then I take a small piece of the hair from the wig and wrap it around my hair and the wig. It's really easy, right? Just wrap it around. That helps to secure it, and that helps to just make everything look seamless and cover up your natural hair. That way it all looks like it's all of yours. You see, play with it a little bit, play with it a little bit, tease it until you get it into the shape that you like. Or you can actually just turn it into a bun. Instead of having it loose, just turn it into a bun. This is another cute look too. But honestly, you know, even now looking at myself while editing, I'm like, this just looks like my hair. This looks like my hair, just better. Now I'm ready for the office party or the holiday party, you know? We're ready. We're ready. We're ready in 5 minutes. Literally 5 minutes, okay? Just put on your lipstick, put on some statement earrings, put on a nice top or dress, and you're ready. So ladies, and maybe any gents that might be watching, I hope you enjoyed this hair try-on or wig try-on. Of course, I had to be a little extra with the crown. And of course, let's throw on some sequins glasses, right? Because everybody wears sequins glasses. Sparkly glasses. Anyway, seriously, this was fun, and I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know which way did you like the wig. Do you like it as a headband or just plain loose or this way or that way? What was your favorite look? HerGivenHair has so many different types of extensions, types of textures, types of wigs. Definitely check them out in the description box. And bye!